Hi, I am Shashank, team member of LIS Library Information System. It is a web application which is developed for Department Information Technology NITK Suratgarh. And this web application which is hosted on 10.100.52.95. So here is the login page of Library Information System. So this login page which is common for all three users, admin, student and faculty. Here this video tutorial which is mainly focused on admin part. So we are going to log in to admin. This is the home page of library information system. In this home page there are criteria to display the statistics. There are two criteria which are number wise frequently issued books and frequently requested books. In number wise frequently issued books, whereas the list of members who have recently issued the books will be displayed. So here I am going from April till today. So these are the statistics from April 1st to 29th May. And these are the list of users who have requested for the books and issued the books. So this can be shown in chat view also in different chats and etc. The second option is frequently requested books. The books which have more importance, like students have been requesting the books more times but the availability of books are less. Keeping this in focus, we have given the criteria frequently requested books. The same criteria or dates which are given, and these are book ID with 10 digital image person which is requested 3 times, and the availability of books are only 2, since the count of the number of count of books in library are less and it should be increased. So the same thing which can be displayed in chat. So, so next we'll proceed to list of users which are faculty and students. In faculty, you can see the number of faculties who are using library information system. So there are three columns which are history, edit and delete. So in select history, you can just select it shows you the history of the concerned faculty member who have used the library information system for issuing the books. So where you can see the list of books which are issued by Gaurav Singh. And in edit, we can just edit the details of the faculty in the and delete to delete the faculty. The same applies for the student, the same columns which are used. And active status, which doesn't mean the student who have given the login ID and you have logged in and you have entered all the details etc., which states the active status. Means if the activate status is no, it means the student password has been generated but he didn't log in. So when the student log in first time, the details will be filled up by the student, then the status will be yes. So here is the fine of the students, an extra column which is added from the faculty to calculate the fine of the student. So the total fine is 47, which should be paid. Clicking on pay doesn't it means that the student has given the amount and it's paid. So here's the MTech is a PhD search which is given to us to search a single student from the number of students. So this is a search of book, search of CD, and search of project and search of video assignment, which gives you the search results of books and etc. So this is the different columns which help you out to identify the book, and here which gives you the total copies which are available in the library and the issued copies etc. which is displayed here. So since it is the admin part, there is a no issue button here. Thus admin can't issue the books or the admin can't request the book put up any request. So these are the search side. So now we'll look into the issue of books, where if a request is put up by any student or faculty member, then how they can be issued to the concerned faculty and student. So here's the requests which are given by number of students and faculty members. So try to put up into the request. So here it says that the student is not allowed. So the student has already issued two books. Means the student is allowed to issue only two books from the library. So the student has 12 IT 50 now. He has already issued two books. The third book could not be proceeded. So further, the student should return the book first. Thus, they can proceed further to get third book. So where any book, the student has issued only one book, then we can go for issuing the book to student. So here in this column, uh, with the in the issue of books, if student requests any book like a digital design, the librarian don't know the location of the book where exactly it is in the racks or in the cupboards. So the location of the book is also given here, which is cupboard number and rack number. So cupboard number resembles the cupboard where it is which cupboard it is, and the rack number resembles the in which rack the book is located. So here it gives the copy ID of the books which are available in the rack. So it says 100.1, which is the copy ID, and just issue the book to student. It is successfully issued. The same applies for the faculty and etc. So the same thing for the project report issue also. So now we look into the return of books. Since we have issued the books to students who are requested, now we can return the books as well. Like if I issue the book of 2015 now, then obviously there is an return option for the student. There is a transaction ID, everything is displayed here. So we can see that issue date is so and so and due date is so and so. On click on return, the book will be returned to the library. Now you can see only the one book is returned. So now we look into the add items of the library information system, which gives books, CD, project report, and video assignment. First, we look into the adding item of book. This is the form. There are a set of instructions which are given at top of the form. Please follow the set of instructions. Anyway, while filling the form, there are different validations which are used and which will help you while entering the books. Like if anything which is not entered, then the validation which is popped up at the top of the form. And please follow the errors which are shown, and you can fill the form and submit the book. The same applies for the CD. Please follow the instructions which are just mentioned up. Um, the project report and with the assignment. There is an edit item details for editing the book, editing the CD, editing the project report, and editing the video assignment. In editing the book, there is an two options for edit and delete. Which edit doesn't means the editing the book details, like you can book entry is entered wrong, you can rectify it over here. So cost of the book, everything can be rectified here by just updating the details. The same applies for editing item details for CD, and for editing video assignment, editing project reports, everything can be done here. So using the two columns, edit and delete. So edit which relate to the copying the details of the consent video, and which can be edited here. So now we look into the register part of library information system, where the students can get registered. Like we if I take an range of like batch 2012 IT starts with the number 1 till if I generate a list till 10, then the list which is generated with a random password for each user. So the password which is generated for each user, which is very helpful for the admin, and these passwords which can be taken have a print using the print pass information. The same thing applies for the MTech, whereas the extra F which is added at the end of the roll number, again the range of values. So print pass information. So if I have just now generated an batch for like 10, 1 to 10 or 7. So these are the 10 roll numbers with sequence of passwords, and a PDF icon which resembles to generate a PDF file, and you can have a printout of it. So you will download a file and you just open this PDF file, and the PDF file will be open, and you can have a printout of this PDF file. Here it is. So this is the print registration of the student and printing the information of the student. Any new user information, which whereas the faculty, MTech is a student and PhD student, they can be registered from this form. The concern details children and validation which help you out go through and just fill in the forms. And in settings, in admin settings, there are main settings like name changing, email ID, and contact number, which can help you out in setting changes. And main settings are like for books, for setting up the fine, and the number of days the fine should be calculated, which is edited over here. The same applies for the project report. If anything project report is issued, then the fine and total fine which will be calculated over here. So this is the part of the total part of admin part. For any queries, please contact team LIS. We have document like in a user document, end user document, which is given here, which will help you to which will help you in further clarifying any doubts and etc. So every details which are specified here, and then just contact details which are given here, and you go through. There is a video detail you can go through. Thank you for watching the video.